Hey everyone, welcome to Unacademy. This is your Shankar sir here. So let me give you some info regarding my new initiative, that is crash course of network analysis. Recently I have started on Creatrix channel. If you have seen this particular course already, in the first lecture I have covered many number of topics in a single lecture. That's the power of our crash course, guys. So in a single lecture I covered the theory, problems and many tricks also. So theory I have covered for the classification of elements, equivalent circuits, KCL, KVL, node analysis, mesh analysis, voltage division, current division, and also the problems of the same. Source transformation में एक problem किया, voltage division, current division का problem किया, node analysis का, reference node का question किया, and series parallel connection का questions किया. Many questions in a single lecture. So regular class में it takes 20 hours. अभी तो 1.5 hours में मैंने ख़त्म किया, complete किया with a proper revision of entire topics. अपने आप रिवाइज करने के लिए भी ये टॉपिक्स को 3-4 घंटा लगेगा. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू सेव योर टाइम and see the tricks and also revise everything with the help of problems and also necessary theory within less amount of time, don't miss this course, guys. So see you in the class every day 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. I promise you I'll be completing this course in this month itself. So don't miss this class, guys. Every day 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. in our Creatrix channel. Let's crack it. Thank you.